फर्दर स्टडीज़ के जो सपने थे मेरे पापा के स्पेशली वो टूट गए। आई डिड टेल माई पेरेंट्स कि ना दिस इज़ इट बाबा, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांट टू डू। कुछ साल में काम है, कुछ साल में काम नहीं है, 3 years 4 years इज स्ट्रगलिंग कि एक अच्छा ब्रेक मिल जाए। माई एक्चुअल स्ट्रगल केम पोस्ट नागिन, देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ तांडव इन्वॉल्वड इन नागिन। किसी ने ना सोचा ही नहीं था उस शो में इतना दम है।
आज हमारे साथ हैं श्रेयांतनी घोष, जिनके बारे में आप सब जानते ही हैं, लेकिन आज जो हम बातें करने वाले हैं वो 1-2 साल या 1-2 शोज़ की नहीं, बल्कि पूरे 20 सालों की है और 20 साल सक्सेसफुल करियर की है। सो थैंक यू सो मच श्रेयांतनी।
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन बोर्ड, प्लेजर।
सबसे पहले कैसे चल रही है लाइफ?
अच्छी चल रही है, बारिश को एंजॉय कर रही हूँ। फिलहाल तो एक मिनी ब्रेक पे है हम शूट से, सो हस्बैंड के साथ क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड कर रही हूँ, बालकनी में रख के बारिश देख रही हूँ, कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ, सो अच्छी सीरीज़ देख रही हूँ, सो या एंजॉइंग द मानसून्स एक्चुअली।
आई एम श्योर सिर्फ कॉफ़ी से तो काम चलता नहीं होगा।
मैं कॉफ़ी पीती हूँ और डाइट कोक पीती हूँ, दैट्स इट।
सो नो भजिया, नो पकौड़ा, नो समोसा?
नॉट रियली, कॉफ़ी इज़ फाइन। आई एम नॉट अ भजिया पकौड़ा पर्सन एनीवे,
सो डू यू वेट फॉर मानसून सीजन?
No, honestly, I don't like monsoons at all. मेरे लिए my favorite season is winters, जो बॉम्बे में ज़्यादा मिलती है नहीं, but whatever जितना भी मिलता है, I think it's the most comfortable because ठंड लगे just layer up. It's not an inconvenient season. Monsoons क्या है, घर बैठ के enjoy करना तो अच्छा लगता है, but जब बाहर निकलना पड़ता है काम में, the traffic, the waterlogging and all of that, so the inconveniences and बचपन की खूब सारी यादें हैं जहाँ पे वो गमबूट्स पहन के स्कूल जाना, वो पूरा पानी भर जाता था उन पे चलना, so yeah, so monsoons is not something I honestly look forward to.
और कागज की कश्ती कभी आपने बनाई है वो पानी में बाहर?
हाँ, वो तो of course I think everybody's childhood memories, yeah.
और क्या क्या होता है बारिश में, स्पेशली जब शूट पे जाना होता है तो?
हाँ, मतलब एंड लकीली आज शो दहेजा से हमारा सेट चेंज हो रहा है। अभी तक हम नए गाँव में थे तो मेरे दिन के 4.5 से 5 घंटे ट्रैवलिंग में जाते थे, सुबह 2-2.5 घंटे, रात को 2.5-3 घंटे। बारिश आई तो और तकलीफ हो जाती थी। राइट नाउ वी आर शिफ्टिंग टू गोरेगांव विच इज़ ग्रेट, सो नाउ आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू वर्किंग बिकॉज नाउ सेट मेरे घर से 10-15 मिनट की दूरी पे है, सो नाउ इट वोंट बी एन इशू, बट अदरवाइज स्टेपिंग आउट इन मानसून इज़ एन हिंड्रेंस बिकॉज ट्रैफिक, पानी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट।
4 घंटे आपके बचेंगे?
हाँ, 4-4.5 घंटे बच जाएंगे।
किस तरह से यूटिलाइज करने वाली हूँ 4 घंटे को?
ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट हैव टू वेक अप अर्ली बिकॉज पहले मुझे 6 बजे उठ के मैं 7:30-8 तक निकल जाती थी। अब मैं नॉर्मल टाइम में उठूँगी, प्रॉब्ली विल रीस्टार्ट माई वर्कआउट्स बिकॉज वो सुबह का टाइम मिल जाएगा। शाम को जल्दी घर आ जाऊँगी, सो माई हस्बैंड एंड मी विल प्रॉब्ली प्लान डिनर्स टुगेदर। पहले क्या होता था, जब तक मैं आती थी तो इट सो लेट, वो बेचारे डिनर कर चुके होते थे, सो आई थिंक आई गेट दैट मच मोर टाइम घर वालों को देने के लिए।
ओके, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर करियर, योर स्टार्ट, हाउ यू स्टार्टेड, लाइक 2002 अगर मैं रफली बात करूँ तो आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया?
एक्चुअली व्हाट हैड हैपेंड इज 2002-3 के बीच में आफ्टर आई पास्ड आउट माई 12th, तो आई पार्टिसिपेटेड इन मिस कोलकाता कॉन्टेस्ट एंड आई वाज द फर्स्ट रनर अप। वो ऐसे ही जस्ट फॉर फन, यू नो, एक्सपीरियंस। एक टीनेजर, मैं और मेरी दोस्त हम गए एंड आई लैंडेड अप बीइंग द फर्स्ट रनर अप एंड दैट ओपनड अ लॉट ऑफ गेटवे। और कैलकाटा में बैक देन बहुत प्रिंट शूट्स होते थे, सो लॉट ऑफ साड़ी, ज्वेलरी, सो वहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ मॉडलिंग, एड कैंपेन्स करते करते आई गॉट एन ऑफर फॉर माई फर्स्ट टेलीफिल्म। और टेलीफिल्म को देख के आई गॉट ऑफर फॉर माई फर्स्ट बंगाली मूवी विच वॉज ऑपरेशन प्रसेनजीत। एक मूवी से 2, ऐसे करते करते 4 बंगाली मूवीज़ हो गई एंड सम 2-2.5 साल कलकत्ता में हो गए थे। वाइल आई वॉज ऑन टू माई 4th बंगाली मूवी, चांस ही था जो मैं मुंबई आई थी अपनी मम्मी के साथ, एंड माई फर्स्ट शो इन 2006 वॉज कुमकुम. Kumkum was going through a generation leap and they were looking for the new leads and all. So मैं ऐसे ही I got to know, somebody spotted me, called me for an audition. I went. I just wanted to see कि यहाँ का, you know, what's the environment like in Bombay. So I went, I auditioned and I went back to Kolkata. मैं वापस गई तब मुझे कॉल आया that Star has selected you, we want you to be back. और मैंने ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं. I was into my 3rd year college. I still had to finish my college. My 4th Bengali movie was on floor, तो वो सब complete करना था. But I just went with the flow because बचपन से बहुत एक protected environment में मैं पली बड़ी हूँ. मैं घर से ज़्यादा दूर कभी रही नहीं हूँ. So this was a chance for me to explore life. So I thought let's just go with the flow and see what life has in store for you. तब मुझे पता नहीं था that finally I would choose to be an actor, settle down being an actor because see, I come from a very quintessential middle class Bengali family जहाँ पे पढ़ाई पे emphasis थी. I was very good in my academics and everyone in my family thought finally we have a doctor in the house because I was that good in my studies. So वही था कि college complete करना था, probably pursue higher education. But once I came to Mumbai, I just stayed. I never went back. And that's, I think, sometimes it's destined and the profession chose me, और मैं रह गई and then kept doing one show after the other.
I was going to talk about that only because 12th के बाद as you mentioned कि आपने शुरू कर दिया था. What about study? You know, so
नहीं, सी फुल फ्लेजेड नहीं था ना, so it was modeling. So modeling was part time, वो जो मैनेजेबल था कॉलेज के साथ. फाइनल ईयर जब तक मैं कॉलेज पहुंची, ऑब्वियसली, एंड सी मूवीज़ की खासियत ये होती थी कि मूवीज़ आर स्केड्यूल ओरिएंटेड, इट्स नॉट लाइक डेली सो कि रोज शूट करना होता है. सो वो मैनेजेबल था. My final year is when it got a bit tricky because I had already shifted to Bombay by then. But my college people were very supportive. They said, exams देने के लिए obviously you have to come back to Cal. So I managed it. And जो higher education की मतलब further studies की जो सपने थे मेरे पापा के especially वो टूट गए because beyond that if I had to work you can't manage both. So yeah, and by the time I completed my college and then I realized, okay, this is it. This is my calling. So I settled down being an actor.
Parents are happy? I mean, sacrifice हो गया उनका सब?
No, they've been very supportive, They were like, see, initially, obviously, concerns were for any parent and especially for a girl child. आप जब दूसरे शहर में जाते हो, safety concerns थे कि बेटी बाहर जाएगी, कैसे manage कर पाएगी. अगर आप उस शहर के होते हो तो obviously it's a protected environment. आपके माँ बाप, आपके रिश्तेदार, दोस्त, यार सब है. But you're literally uprooting yourself from one city to another city, and that too, it's Bombay. People, it's glamorous, everything like that. So they were obviously concerned, safety point of view. But apart from that, जैसे कि मैंने कहा पहले 2-3 साल मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि this is what I'm going to finally do. I always thought चलो थोड़ा सा टाइम पास, थोड़ा सा पॉकेट मनी हो जाएगा and then I will continue on the course of studying. But eventually when I did tell my parents कि ना this is it Baba, this is what I want to do, they were very supportive. They were like, are you sure? We evaluated the pros and cons. Of course, it's a profession which comes with a lot of hardship. It's an inconsistent field. There's a lot of stardom, there's a lot of money, but there's also inconsistency. कुछ साल में काम है, कुछ साल में काम नहीं है. So there's that struggle. So my father was like, if you're very sure, we are supporting you completely. But जब मैं आई मुंबई 3-4 महीने, my mother came. She stayed with me just to ensure I kind of settle down. घर वगैरह सब सेटल डाउन हो जाए, सेफ्टी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो दोज वर द कंसर्न्स, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट दे वर वेरी सपोर्टिव. दे स्टिल डेट बीन सपोर्टिव एवरी डिसीजन ऑफ माइन.
Tell me more about Kumkum. How was your experience and what did you learn actually, because it was your first show and big show.
But it was one of those big shows, the K series shows जो सारे स्टार प्लस कितने सारे shows करते थे, उसमें कुमकुम was obviously one of the top shows. Experience देखिए for me, मैं एक लड़की थी जो सपनों के साथ इस शहर में आई थी. मुझे एक्टिंग का कुछ अता पता था नहीं, बिकॉज आई डोंट कम फ्रॉम एन एक्टिंग बैकग्राउंड. नीदर हैव आई बीन ट्रेन्ड. टिल डेट आई हैव हैड नो फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग. सो वॉट एवर आई हैव लर्नड ऑन माई जॉब. माई वर्क हैज़ बीन माई गुरु एंड इट वॉज अ लैंग्वेज विच वॉज नॉट माई लैंग्वेज. Of course, back in Kolkata, I did have a lot of Hindi-speaking friends, but then it's not like you speak the language that often. So that was a big hurdle for me to be able to speak spoken Hindi and then bade dialogues. So that's where I think my academic mind came into play, because I'm very good with mugging up lines. तो मैं कुछ improvise करती नहीं थी because भाषा पे कोई दखल ही नहीं थी. I didn't have that expertise on the language, so I had to just learn my lines. Because then I used to be very ashamed अगर मेरी वजह से shortcut हो या मैं lines भूल जाऊँ. So I was like, okay, my job is to learn my lines to the T. So that helped me. And I mean, the show had such big stars. There was Juhi, there was Hussain, there was all the senior actors. Got to learn a lot from them and technically, and I think that way every show of mine has contributed towards me being who I am as an artist, as a technician today. Today I can humbly but proudly say that I have a lot of knowledge when it comes to lighting, camera, angles, and I've learned all of them on the job. So every show, whether the show has done well or not done well, irrespective, has contributed towards me being technically the person that I am today. So yeah, it's been great so far.
What about your most favorite till date? कौन सा ऐसा project है?
I can't, you can't pick and choose between your babies. Like I said, every show has given me something or the other. Some show has given you fame, like Nagin, for example. Nagin came and overnight, I was like, what just happened? Suddenly you were like, people were talking about you. So few shows have given you stardom. Few shows have not worked that well, but have helped you learn a lot of things as an actor. So that way I can't really choose, because हर show ने कहीं ना कहीं contribute किया towards me being the artist that I am today. Yeah.
Let's talk about Nagin, because जब भी Nagin का नाम आता है, so it's okay. Nagin के बहुत सारे series आ चुके हैं, but you are obviously.
Yes.
So that time, when you started shooting for Nagin, or when you got the offer, हाउ इज दैट? सुपरनैचुरल एक इंसान एक नागिन फिल्म में देखा था
जी।
बट सीरियल में नागिन बनना
देखो किसी ने ना सोचा ही नहीं था उस शो में इतना दम है, बिकॉज सी नाउ दीज डेज यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ सुपरनैचुरल, बैक इन 2007-8 is when Nagin happened. It was a weekend remake, weekend band. They thought as an experiment, let's do this show, and not that people had a lot of expectation because, like you said, supernatural इतने होते नहीं थे, तब full on K series dramas हो रहे थे. So we just came with very low expectations, and it just overnight people were. I was like, okay, what just happened? And then there were these big hoardings of mine, just my face on all the railway stations and across the city. So. I mean, it definitely gave me a footing in the industry. People got to know, okay, here is this girl, Bengali girl from Calcutta, who can act well, who can dance well, because there was a lot of tandavs involved in Nagin. So it obviously gave me my recognition, that gave me that initial, whatever, you know, the push or recognition that I needed. So until date, you know, there have been so many. I mean, of course, mine was by Aruna Irani, and then there was this franchisee by Balaji, and which also have been a part of season 4. But then there's so many seasons of Nagin, but people still remember Amrita. My character name was Amrita. So you know, even after I think it wrapped up in 2009, so 9 to almost 15 years down the line, people. I mean, my last anniversary, my husband and me, we were traveling in Thailand and we were walking on Phuket, and somebody just said, "Arey, you're Amrita." So you know, for you to be remembered by that character 15 years down the line, it just goes on to show that. And you know, today there is social media. So अगर आप 1 भी करते हो, 1 को आप 2 से multiply कर सकते हो because of social media में post करते हो. You know, you can multiply and make people aware of your work. But then there was no social media. It was just pure television viewing. So resources कम थे, उसके बावजूद people have noted that character and they still remember her till date. I think. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing. You know, you just feel grateful that you know people love you for characters that you've played.
अमृता के अलावा who's your favorite नागिन?
Me.
अमृता
वो
के
खिताब मैं ही रखूँगी. Of course, if you talk about these movies, there's Sridevi ji who's done a fantastic job. You look up to her. But on television, yeah, I'm not sharing that crown with anyone.
Okay. So क्या होता है ना कि अक्सर जब आप कोई रोल प्ले करते हैं, so you get same kind of offer.
जी.
So did it happen with you also after Nagin special?
See, what had happened after Nagin is, I've told this in a lot of my interviews, see, everybody's struggle story is different.
Yeah.
There are few people who struggle to get that first break. You know, 3 years, 4 years they're struggling कि एक अच्छा break मिल जाए. वो किसी की struggle होती है. मेरे केस में उल्टा था. I came in 2006. I came with Kumkum. Post Kumkum, I got Ghar Ek Sapna. My first show as a lead, and then my third show was Nagin. So I kept on doing shows. The first 3-4 years, I kept on doing shows back to back. I got the recognition, the fame, the money. My struggle actually began when Nagin ended. Because अभी क्या होता है, अभी you know the memory span, the attention span of the audience is very less. And I always say this कि हमारी industry is a part of our society. तो society जिस रुख में चल रही है ना, जिस direction में, the industry also replicates that. So अभी अगर आप देखिए instant gratification, social media में 15 सेकंड 20 सेकंड की रील में आपको engage करना है. So and people forget also. एक रील देखा, the next reel you forget the reel that you just viewed. तो अभी वो एडवांटेज इसलिए है बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ दीज एक्टर्स यू नो यू फिनिश एंड यू नो देयर इज़ नो डाउन टाइम इन टर्म्स ऑफ पीपल रिमेंबरिंग दैट कैरेक्टर. पीपल डू रिमेंबर पर उतना आफ्टर टेस्ट नहीं रहता है. सो लॉट ऑफ द लीड्स दे फिनिश वन शो एंड देन ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट. बैक देन वैसा नहीं होता था. तब अगर आप नागिन थी, so the network has told me that you know we really like you as an actor, we want to work with you, but वो नागिन का image है, so you have to give like a 6 months downtime or something. So my actual struggle came post Nagin because इतना मुझे वो recognition और success मिल गया. उसके बाद लोगों ने बोला कि मेकर्स ने बोला अभी थोड़े टाइम हम आपके साथ काम नहीं करेंगे, हम चाहते हैं वो wear out हो. So for almost a year I was sitting at home, you know, not that there was no work, but the works were not. आप जब एक जगह पहुंच जाते हो ना, फाइनेंशियली अगर आप थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर भी लो, बट आई वॉजंट विलिंग टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ऑन द काइंड ऑफ रोल्स आई वॉज गेटिंग. सो ऑलमोस्ट फॉर अ ईयर 2010 I was sitting at home. So that was a big struggle for me because I wasn't prepared financially. I mean, of course I made a lot of money from Nagin, but I was so young that I didn't know money management. पैसे आए but उनको सेव कैसे करना है या मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करना है. आजकल के ज़माने में people are very financially aware. तब वो नहीं था. यंग थी मैं, 23-24 साल की थी. कहाँ पैसे चले गए पता ही नहीं चला. So 2010-11 was a big struggle year for me when I didn't have work. My first house, I was very proud कि for a girl from another city to come. छोटा सा घर था, and I always wanted to retain that house because your first house, you know, there's so much of emotions involved. But I had to sell off that house because ये मेरी खुददारी थी कि I don't want to go back and disturb my father because it was my decision to come here, and he was a middle class man. There was my brother's education and all. So एक दो महीना अलग बात है, but it was a situation that I wasn't working for a year. So that was my struggle, you know. So Nagin gave me a lot, but then it also, you know, it prepared me for the hard times also. But I'm happy that happened early on in my life, and you know, past 2016, 17, it's been, touch wood, more stable. Yeah.
So now people have started talking about mental health.
Yes.
Job नहीं रहता है.
Yeah.
नहीं रहता है.
Yeah.
But this story.
Yeah.
I mean, it's very stressful.
It is.
How is that? How did
And
you
see,
manage?
it also for a girl who's just 23, 24,
Yeah.
you're not prepared. So at 35 or now that I'm 40, the way I deal with pressure अभी भी आता है. But you're obviously more mature, you've seen the world that much more. You are slightly better equipped. अच्छा, back then तो mental health ये सब चीज़ों को लेकर हम बात ही नहीं करते थे. Now at least there's an awareness, you know, there are therapists who can seek professional help. And I always say this, see, obviously now mental health is something people are aware. People know कि there is these areas जहाँ पे आपको you might seek help and all of that. But being an actor, I always feel, see, it can happen to anybody. You don't need to be an actor to have mental health issues. But being an actor, this job makes it that much more challenging. I'll give you an example to make you understand what I'm saying. So, for example, my brother, he's a mechanical engineer. उसके प्रोफेशन में भी जॉब कट्स होते हैं, बट बाय लार्ज इट्स मोर एकेडमिकली दे आर लाइक प्रोपोर्शनेटली होता है. इफ़ यू हैव गुड एकेडमिक्स एंड ऑल, मोर ऑफन दैन नॉट यू गेट अ जॉब. अभी रिसेशन हुआ, जॉब कट्स हुआ, दोज आर वन ऑफ सिचुएशन. बट अगर आपने अच्छे कंपनी में अपनी पढ़ाई की है, इफ़ यू हैव अ गुड डिग्री, यू नो, इफ़ यू आर एन IIT एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, तो इवन बेटर, यू लैंड अप गेटिंग अ जॉब. एंड मोर और लेस विद एज it's a gradual progress, you know. But with an actor, say in my case, when I was 23, 24, I got so much of fame and money, and suddenly, you know, you just don't know what just happened. And then came 1.5 years with no work at all. So you have to survive in a different city, which is financially, today we have the data which says Mumbai is the most expensive city in the world. So you have to survive in an expensive city, which is not your city. You don't have your parents around. Like I said, these days you have tool to disclose with therapists or professional. You can seek professional help. Money management is something most of the youngsters are very aware of. Then you didn't know what is money management. So, and most why I say, you know, the struggle is, see, एक तो आप you're going through a bad phase, you're going through a failure or a downfall. एक तो अपने में ही उस चीज़ को आप डील करो. Like say for example, again I come back to my brother. Say कभी कोई ऐसा नॉर्मल प्रोफेशन में किसी की जॉब चली जाती है, you're dealing with that stress. बट आपको कोई कंटिन्यूसली रिमाइंडर नहीं देता है. बट व्हेन यू आर एन एक्टर, पीपल टॉक अबाउट इट, यू गेट रिटन अबाउट, अच्छा इसको शो मिला या शी लॉस्ट आउट ऑन दिस शो. देन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम माय पेरेंट्स देम से आस्क, अरे तुम्हारी इस दोस्त को इस कंटेम्प्रेरी को शो मिला, ये रोल तो तुम्हें भी मिल सकता, तुम्हें क्यों नहीं मिला? नो, देयर आर नो रूल्स. समटाइम्स यू गेट इट, समटाइम्स इट्स योर टाइम. सो देयर आर नो रूल्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली. ऐसा नहीं है जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर एन गुड एक्टर you will get work. There is no rule. Yes, what I do believe, if you're a hardworking and a good actor, eventually, sooner than later, it balances itself out. You'll land up getting job. But, you know, it is also destiny governed. There are those phases where it works for you, it doesn't work for you. So, wo jo constant reminder hota hai, you get written about, you get asked about, or even if you're seeing, okay, there is this actor who's got the job, and I, in my heart, know I could have done better, but I'm not still getting the job. So, it is a lot of pressure, you know. And it's an inconsistent feel. Like I said, it's very difficult to see. This profession has a lot of pluses as well. I mean, I love my profession. I don't think, I mean, if I have to look in hindsight, I was very good in my studies. I wanted to pursue chemistry and psychology, but given now, I would again choose to be an actor. Everything has its plus and minuses. There are a lot of pluses. There's fame, there's success, there's money, there's gratification, there's the love that you get from your audience. How many people get this sort of a love? The opportunity to breathe life into so many different characters, and you get to live. I am Shantini, but I'm getting to live the life of so many different characters. So there are a lot of advantages, but inconsistency is a huge issue because, you know, it becomes very difficult to plan my life even till date. Like today, if I want to plan my life, अच्छा आज तो मेरे पास काम है, मैं एक फॉरेन हॉलीडे कर लेती हूँ, मैं लग्जरी बाइस कर लेती हूँ. I really don't know 6 months down the line what's going to happen. So you don't know basis what do you plan your life. Do you plan your life basis your good years or basis your bad years? Of course, with age you average it out. Today I have the bandwidth to understand, acha, this is a basic I need to do. But it's continuous work. You can't just say, okay, now I can relax. Ye kaam hai, to I'm sorted. So it's a work every day that tension looms over you.
And how did you come back? Do you remember what was the moment, that क्षण जब आप?
देखिए, what helped me was my dance, of course, because a lot of these, see now you have a lot of reality shows where these dancing stars are there, but back then there was no Dance India, Dance and all that. There were actors who could dance. So I still remember there were these 4-5 of us who were known to be actors who could dance. There was Moni, there was Barkha, Karishma Tanna, myself, Sanjeeta. हम 5-6 जन को हर शो में बुलाया जाता था. So that somehow kept me afloat financially, because there was little bit of money here and there coming, and also I was working. But shows, I was obviously looking forward to shows कि कुछ अच्छा show आ जाए. I really don't remember which show was the turning point. I did do Meri Maa in 2012. I did Itna Karo Na Pyar, Santoshi Maa. So I mean, yes, but those 1.5-2 years was a really bad period. And dhire, I remember, I always say कि in any show, either financially needs to make sense for you, or commercially needs to make sense for you, or creatively. I've always given emphasis to creatives more, that I need to be more creative satisfied. I mean, if the creatives are not good, no amount of money can convince me to say yes to that project.
So हमने स्ट्रगल पीरियड की बात की, लेकिन करंट में बहुत ही अच्छा शो कर रही हैं आप. Please tell me about that.
Yes, so I'm doing this show called Dahej Dasi. My character name is Vindhya. She's the antagonist in this show, but बहुत ही interesting, दिलचस्प कहानी है. सबसे पहले तो हमारे जो producers हैं, our makers Ravindra Gautam and Rahul Shekhawat, they are two creative minds. RG sir, Ravindra Gautam sir, he is known to be one of the stalwart directors of our industry. Raghu sir is one of the biggest writers of our industry. So yes, they are my producers, but they're also two brilliant creative minds who've come together. When I was approached for the show, and when Raghu sir narrated the role to me, the story to me, I was immediately sold on it, because ये कहानी ही इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग है. एक कॉन्सेप्ट है राजस्थान में, दहेज दासी का कॉन्सेप्ट, जहाँ पे जब ठाकुरों के हवेली में कोई शादी होती है तो दहेज के सामान में, जब नई बहू आती है, दहेज के सामान में एक लड़की को भेजा जाता है, जिसको हम obviously the term is दहेज दासी. So it was so interesting, shocking. It has a shock value, at the same time interesting, and Vindhya as a character, she is the anti-hero obviously in the show. उसका जो बेटा है जय, ही इज़ ऑब्वियसली टॉर्न बिटवीन चुनरी, जो हमारी दहेज दासी है, विंध्या के बीच में, एंड इनके इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स, एंड द एंटायर नैरेटिव काइंड ऑफ मूव्स. ये जो क्लैश ऑफ थॉट्स है बिटवीन चुनरी एंड विंध्या. विंध्या somebody, she is the महासरपंच 50 गाँव की, एंड शी वांट्स टू होल्ड ऑन टू ऑल दिस ट्रेडिशंस, प्रथा. वो बोलती है, उनके तकिया कलाम लाइन भी है कि प्राण से बढ़ के संतान, संतान से बढ़ के भगवान, और भगवान से बढ़ के है सम्मान. तो अपने सम्मान के लिए, अपने प्रथाओं के सम्मान के लिए, she doesn't, she's archaic that way. She doesn't let go of the pratha, and here is Chundri who's challenging her in a modern day world. So it's a social message as well, that in India there's so many such traditions. Of course we should hold on to our roots, hold on to our traditions, but कुछ प्रथाएं, जब प्रथाएं कुप्रथाएं बन जाती है, we should do away with them and change them time to time. Something which held relevance 50 years back doesn't need to exist today, because it might not be relevant in today's time and age. So via a story, we are trying to also send a social message across. So I think all these factors combined, and the show is doing very well. Ever since we came on air, from day one, we are #1 on the network. We've just completed 100 episodes. So yeah, I'm super thrilled just to see what happens next.
And people have started comparing Balika Badhu, it's that type of show.
Yeah, see, obviously because it's Rajasthan based, Raghu sir has written that show in this show also, and I'm very happy, I'm very happy because that obviously was one of the iconic shows, and I'm just hoping that our show also reaches those heights. Yeah.
So जब आपको शो मिलता है, so creative is fine,
yeah,
creative है, storyline and everything, but do you also see which channel?
I'd say it's a combination of a lot of factors, See, for me, the way I operate is like any show that I do, it has to be different from my past shows in some way or the other. Either the genre, or the look and feel of the character, or the character itself. So in my career graph, it's been a conscious effort. Jitne offers mujhe aaye, obviously I have to choose between all the offers that I'm getting offered. Unme se I land up choosing something which is something different from what I've done. So sometimes, like I said, it could be the genre of the show. Kabhi mytho kar liya, kabhi comedy kar liya, to kabhi daily soap kar liya. sometimes it's the look of the character, sometimes it's the character itself. Like in this case, I've never done a Rajasthani character, and up until now, though, you know, even after 17-18 years of continuously working, I don't think I have to prove anything about my versatility. I think people know how versatile I am, and humbly I say I'm one of those very few actors who've done both end of the spectrum. Like I've been the villain and the heroine as well. So not a lot of actors get that responsibility, or people trust you with that, you know, that, you know, she can do both the villain and the hero. So I've done both of them. So, you know, but still, you know, there's a certain stereotyping that's happened. Like I done a show called Tera Yaar Hu Main, where I was playing a Punjabi. So up until that show, I was also offered another show jo hote reh gaya, because some of the makers thought she'll not look a Punjabi, because I'm obviously British. So there's a certain stereotyping people feel, if you're Punjabi, you need to be Godi Chutti. Like with Bengalis, when you see Dusky, you say she's a Bengali. But aisa nahi hai, Gore Bengali bhi hote hain, my first cousin. But there are a certain stereotypes that works in our society. So from that point of view, when I got offered a Rajasthani character, I'm Rajasthan ki bahu hu, my husband's from Jaipur. So I just went, and the story was so important. So yeah, so and see, network, see, it's a job, it's an opportunity, and it's an upcoming network. Every network has begun somewhere or the other. And in fact, I think it's more special to be a part of somebody's journey from the beginning. You mean that much more. The Daheej Dasi will mean that much more, because we are one of the initial flag bearers, you know. So yeah, so I think the story was so solid and the role was so solid, so I didn't think twice about it.
How do you see the trend? I don't know, trend bolna chahiye nahi, but you know, shows are coming and going off.
Yeah.
3 months.
Yeah, 4
big
months.
Shows.
Yeah.
Ekta Kapoor, Rajan Shahi.
Yeah.
Ashoka.
Yeah.
Bharti Bhushan can see few examples. और भी बहुत सारे shows.
Yeah.
तो ये जो fix है ना, I mean as an actor.
Yeah, it's.
Do you also think कि sometimes it's a risk?
It is.
ये show छोड़ के वो लूँ या ना लूँ?
वही देखो, मैंने जब करियर शुरुआत तब 3-4 चैनल थे, तो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कम थी, कम ही शोज़ होते थे. बट हर शो अगर वो अच्छा भी ना कर रहा हो, 1-1.5 साल तो मिनिमम, यू नो, अच्छा शो मिल गया, आई एम सॉर्टेड फॉर अ ईयर एंड अ हाफ. इनफैक्ट तब लोग उल्टा बोलते थे, यार बहुत लंबा चल गया, वी यूज्ड टू गेट बोर्ड. या 8 years और 9 years भी चलते थे शोज़. Vis-a-vis now, when there is a lot many channels, of course, which means there's that much more job opportunities, but competition भी इतनी ज़्यादा है, और mediocre perform करने का कोई scope ही नहीं है, especially if you're working with one of the top leading GECs. Average आप कर ही नहीं सकते. Either you have to be the best, या तो फिर 3 महीने में, 4 महीने में, even if your money actually starts rolling, the shows wrap up. So yeah, it is a concern, because you really, like I said, you can't just आराम से बैठ नहीं सकते, अच्छा ही शो मिल गया, मिल तो गया, I think just the first step. Now you have to also wait and watch how the show does. So I'm very happy I'm with an upcoming network, because you are, you know, they support you then. Like I said, if you're a part of the initial journey, you get that support. But it is a concern. But again, I will say, I think it's got to do with how the society is also thinking. I come back to that point when I say my industry is a mini reflection of how the society is functioning. We are in a time and age where we are believing in instant gratification. आप एक upload करते हो video Instagram, you want to see how many likes, you know. 15-20 second का reel में you have to tell a narrative. So the attention span has gone. If you can't keep them engaged, they move on to the next reel. So similar mindset has been applied to shows also. कि TRP का pressure पहले भी था, इतना नहीं था कि रातों रात कहानी बदल जाती है. So I think it's a time that the society at large is going through. I'm sure we'll get out of it. अभी जो है सो है, and you can just hope and pray, put your best foot forward, you do your part. As an actor, I have to do my part, and just hope the rest falls into place.
How do you see shows like Anupama and all? I mean, I'll just share my part. कि आप shows देखते हैं ना, जिसमें जो main जो lady है, if she is crying, show is doing very well. और ये मैंने कई प्रोड्यूसर से बात किया है, and they are like कि feedback we got from research team that your main lead is strong and it's not working for the society. So how do you see? I mean, we are in 21st century.
Yeah.
We talk about digital dunya.
Yeah.
Everything is going up. But जब लेडी की लाइफ में जो बात आती है, वो जितना रोती है उतनी TRP आगे बढ़ती है.
See, it's a question to the audience actually, because they are the ones who give us ratings. Okay, so now I've had people say, अरे आप लोग अच्छे शोज़ नहीं बनाते हो. ऐसा नहीं है. A lot of makers have tried to do something different. See, सबसे पहले ज़रूरी नहीं है different करो. Television is a form of entertainment, and I genuinely believe it should have different kind of shows. एक डेली सोप भी बनना चाहिए, which is जो डेली सोप के ढांचे में आता है. आप कुछ एक प्रोग्रेसिव शो भी बनाओ, so that it's a bouquet for me too. When I switch on a channel, I should be able to choose. अच्छा, this is something I would like to watch. You should give a complete menu. Yeah. But having said that, when shows which are modern, which is a bit progressive, more often than not, they are not rating. See, ultimately, it's a business. You know, nobody is here to do a social work. Yes, we would like to send a message across socially, but if it doesn't rate, the networks have no other option but to pull it out and get more shows. So the power lies in the hand of the audience. If they want to see different kind of shows, they shouldn't. They can obviously choose not to watch a particular show, but if a certain sort of show is rating, that means they're still wanting to watch it. When it comes to talking about a woman's journey, see, I think how I would want to reason with this is, see, this virtual world is something that, especially in India, you know, television is mostly, whatever the data says, I think is mostly women viewers mostly. So, you know, thak haar ke kaam karke, this is a medium for them to get lost from their reality, and they want to see an aspirational story, like from rags to riches, या ठोकर खा के धक्के मार के सारे struggle से you become the hero. So वो पहले से ही नहीं देखना चाहते somebody who's in charge of her life. They want to see that story, that graph. I think that's how they relate to an Anupama. कि they see themselves in Anupama where they are trying to manage, घर भी है, ससुराल भी है, खुद के अपने सपने भी है. So I think while we talk about modernization and digital world, I think this still is the plight of a lot of Indian women who are still stuck in their household chores and bahu ka role. Though we talk about self-worth, self-awareness, self-love, but I think these are concepts which are very much concentrated to the tier 1 cities, to the metros. अगर आप tier 2 cities में जाओगे, थोड़ी interiors of India में जाओगे, still our old traditions, the old thought process still exists.